Come.
Jai sir.
Jai, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So Hitesh, your name is Hitesh Chaudhary,
Yes, sir.
but your father writes Saran.
What, sir?
But your father's name you have written Virender Singh Saran.
Virender Singh sir.
Saran. Why different surnames for your father?
Sir, we also pursue Chaudhary Saran Singh. So there is suitable thing that Virender Singh is also looking very soundly good, and I Hitesh Chaudhary is looking soundly good. So we
They are all same.
They are all same.
And what about your brother? What does he use?
Dhanvir Chaudhary.
You also write Chaudhary?
Yes, sir.
And how has been your stay here in Dehradun?
Sir, it's all good.
Comfortable?
Yes, it's comfortable, sir.
Any health issue?
No, sir.
Very good.
I'm healthy, sir.
Have you come to Dehradun before or this is the first time?
Sir, this is my first time from Rajasthan. I didn't get outside from Rajasthan.
Okay. The first time also race, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. How are you finding Dehradun?
Sir, it's very looking good, and sir, nature is also very beautiful.
Yeah.
In Rajasthan, there is summer, hot also. So I am looking very good, and many scenes I see here. That's also so good.
Okay. Very nice. So you come from Alwar.
Yes, sir.
What is special about Alwar?
Sir, special about Alwar is its history and its geographic location.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is special?
Sir, Alwar is situated in Aravalli ranges, so in recent it is known as Harwar also. So there are many beautiful hills also. Pandupol Jheel is situated in Alwar, and there are many fair. Dharatri Fair, which was also situated. Sariska Tiger Reserve is also situated in Alwar. In 2005, all tigers are disappeared from Sariska Reserve, but in 2008, government import tigers, and now at this time 7 to 8 tigers are there in tiger reserve. And sir, no.
The place where you stay,
Yes,
is
sir.
it a village? It's a
Yes.
city? It's a town?
Sir, it's a village.
Village.
Yes, sir.
And what kind of development is taking place?
Sir, in my village, it's Gram Panchayat, so my village has to almost 500 to 600 population. There is a hospital also, and a school which is up to 10th, and sir, very good facility of road connectivity with the town name as Baroda Mayor, and from Baroda Mayor to Alwar there is a very good connectivity of road.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, new things are developing there?
Sir, hospital is recently developed.
Okay.
Before this, there is a dispensary which we use.
All facilities are available, mobile phone, internet.
Yes, sir. All facilities are available, including 5G. Data is very speedily going in that area, sir.
What about the malls, shopping complex?
Sir, in our village and the small town, I said, Barodamir, there is no complex mall. There is small shops that are getting that are settled there. But in Alwar, there are many malls and military canteens also, sir.
So if you have to go for some big shopping, where do you go? Alwar or some other place?
Big shop,
Big shopping. You know?
big shop, sir. I want to go, sir, Alwar. There is many big shops in Alwar.
So it is during next few minutes, we will talk more about you
Yes,
and cover various areas like your education, your family, your interests, your hobbies, and such other activities, which you have given to me in your PIP form.
sir.
But I want to know more. This more you will tell me as we progress.
Yes,
So first, we will discuss about your education.
yes,
Suppose you tell me about your education starting from class 8.
yes,
I would be interested to know your favorite subjects and the subjects you did not care much about.
yes, sir.
Grades and the percentages that you achieved in various exams.
Yes, sir.
Efforts that you put towards co-curricular extracurricular activities, and your achievements in those activities.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your friend circle. Who are your close friends? Why do you feel they are close to you? And if there are some friends whom you avoided, why do you avoid those friends? Teachers, your favorites and not so favorites with reasons. What is your ambition in life and how do you want to achieve your ambition?
Yes, sir. In class 8, sir, I study in Ajmer, Dyawar with my uncle. In 8th class, I didn't get so much marks. It is around 75 to 80 percentage. So it's not good achievement from my opinion. After 8th, 9th, I take there, and in 10th class, I migrate to Sikar as my brother is living in Sikar, and I pursue some more quality of education. So I moved to Sikar. Sikar in 10th class there is a corona, and I study at home only. Online classes were given, and in 8th, 11th class and 12th class I go to Sikar and take admission in Princess School, and I got in 10th class I got 91 percentage, and in 11th class I got 87% marks, and in 12th I got 87.80%. And my friend circle is developed from 8th, as I have many friends which are close to me, sir. But I got many friends as teenage in 10th, 11th, 12th, as I am going very frequently and using my friend circle more larger. I have one friend from my village also that it's occupationally a pandit, and my thinking and his thinking match that he was also physically fit and tell me about the culture of ourselves, and I also know, but he tell me indeed that how our culture is important. I didn't avoid any friends, sir. But some friends that I didn't contact, and so they get separated, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, teachers, I from 8th class, I am not very familiar with teachers, sir. But onwards, 10th, 11th, 12th, I become familiar, and sir, physics teacher I pursued most, most. Yes, sir, because he teaches our physics. Not only he teaches that how we will live over and how we will think of to our society. Sir, I didn't discredit any teacher, but in chemistry I got some related issue. There are many contradictions, so I didn't focus on that teacher, sir. Sir, my favorite subject is maths that I told you earlier. Yeah, maths, and in maths there are all is logical, so I feel very familiar. If I don't get much more marks in maths, but I am doing more and more activities about maths and problems and sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your ambition.
Sir, my ambition is to join armed forces.
You have done your class 12th in 2023.
Yes, sir.
What have you done in last 1 year?
1 year. Sir, I prepared for JEE.
Prepared for JEE.
Yes, sir.
So, your aim is to join the armed forces,
Yes, sir.
but you are preparing for JEE.
Sir,
So, what happened in your JEE exam? How many JEE exams did you do?
sir, when I go in 10th in Sikar, I told my parents that I want to join, I want to go in armed forces with the help of NDA. But my parents tell me that Sikar has not much more coachings, and you should go Dehradun and do NDA exam. But Dehradun is not so close, and we can. My parents did not want that I can leave them and go for long distance. Then my parents convinced me and said that if you prepare JEE, then your maths will be strong, and then you will work only in general science or general science. So I prepared for JEE mains.
No, but JEE means a person prepares when he is preparing for engineering.
Yes, sir.
And when a person wants to appear for armed forces,
Yes, sir.
he takes part in NDA exam and all those exams.
Yes.
Have you given NDA exam?
Yes, sir. One exam I given, but I cleared maths, but I didn't clear general science.
When did you give NDA exam?
Sir, in 11th class, I did NDA exam.
11th you were not eligible.
No, sir. 12th. 12th class.
September
Yes, sir.
or
September.
April.
September, sir.
Okay, that is September 22.
Yes, sir. September 23, sir. I was. September 22.
22.
Yes.
You could not clear.
Yes, sir. September 22.
Example, exam was cleared.
Yes, not sir. Exam was not clear because it is both of mathematics and general science. I
So
didn't clear.
after September 22, you had one chance in April 23. Then you had chance in September 23.
Yes, sir.
Then you had chance in April 24.
Yes.
Have you given these three exams?
No, sir. I didn't given because I am involved in JEE mains exam, so I didn't give these exams. And I thought my teachers said that you can go in NDA also with technical entry. So I pursued that. In technical entry we didn't get any paper and we will work on only our own personality.
So that, my question is that JEE exam you gave for army, not for engineering.
Yes, sir.
You gave JEE exam to get into the army,
Yes, sir.
not to get into engineering college.
Yes, sir.
What was your score in these exams?
Sir, my score in JEE mains attempt is 98.5%.
In advance,
Sir, advance I got 110 marks.
110.
Yes, sir.
So with this, you should be getting some college.
Sir, in JEE mains I get in college. IIT, Triple IIT, in Nagpur, and in this college I got a branch of computer science. Sir.
You are getting computer science in IIT.
Yes, sir.
Which IIT?
Triple IIT, sir.
Triple IIT.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between IIT and Triple IIT?
Sir, there is difference of full form, sir. Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Technology and Information. In IITs there is information is also provided, and in Triple IITs some information branches are not allowed, and there is a type of there, and there is also difference of some professor and college area. That's
You are getting CSC in Nagpur.
yes, sir.
They have confirmed.
Yes, sir. Confirm.
So what is your plan? If you get selected here, you will go and join army.
Yes, sir.
If you don't get selected, you will join engineering.
Yes, sir. I will join engineering and I will go to armed forces through CDS entry.
After engineering. So is Nagpur the only college or you are getting some other college?
Yes, sir. I have some other colleges, Triple IT Kanchipuram and Triple IT Unnao, and in these colleges I get CS, but some of NITs I have also pursued, but I get lower branch civil, mechanical, and these branches.
Why do you feel that civil, mechanical are lower branches?
Sir, as my opinion, there is no so placement, and sir, as my father's opinion, they are not so well.
So why it is called lower branch?
So they are not.
Because computer is more demand.
Yes, sir. Demand.
But everybody does computer, then who will do mechanical?
So mechanical is also about civil engineers are more effective leaders. I know, sir, than computer science engineers.
Okay.
Yes,
And apart from studies,
yes.
what all activities have you participated in?
Sir, in 7th, 8th, 9th, I participated in the school handball competition and district level winner. Yes, sir, 3 times.
Any other competitions?
Sir, any other competition, sports related race, some races, and that's all, sir.
So which activities have you participated which have helped you to develop your personality?
Sir, I want to participate in a debate that will help me with my personality and my talking sense. And
You did not participate in school,
no, sir.
or there were activities not there, or
Some activities are there, but due to my hesitation and my shyness, I didn't participate in these activities. But in future, I think that I can go for a debate or
so apart from academics, any other achievements in school?
achievements. That's also.
And what advice your teachers gave you?
Sir, my teachers advised that be friendly with teacher. Don't be hesitant with teachers. And teacher always tell me that you are in studies and physical both, so you have balance of these two things. So uh, you can go straight in your life.
All right. Okay, Hitesh, this gives me some idea about your education background.
Yes.
Now I would like to know about your family. Tell me about your parents, their education, their occupation, how do you spend time together. You can also tell me about your siblings, their education and occupation, what are they doing. How do you all spend time together, your various activities at home when the entire family is together. Whom do you approach when you have a problem or when you want to confide some secret. How much pocket money do you get? Who gives you and how do you spend that money? Tell me about your friendship in the neighborhood. Who are your friends? What activities, social, cultural, or otherwise, you participate with them?
Sir, about my family is a joint family. My family is joint family. My father is involved in agricultural activities, and my mother is also involved in agriculture and some household activities. Sir, I got my pocket money from my Tauji. I got my pocket money from my Tauji, as I said that our joint family. My two uncles are serving nation in police force, and my father and one uncle is involved in agricultural activities.
Okay.
And my neighbor friends, I talked to you once. The one friend I have that is occupationally Pandit, and there is so the age difference between me and this, but his thinking and my thinking match also. So I am friendly with it. He talk me anytime, anywhere. So whenever I have any problem, I talk to my friend that is Pandit, and also talk to my brother, elder brothers. I have six brothers and one sister. So anytime when I saw some difficulty, my brother is my first opinion, sir. And
So your elder brother, you have one brother, real brother.
yes, sir, real brother is
One. And others are cousins.
cousin brothers.
So what is the time when the entire family is together and what activities you participate?
Sir, in our family, my house is situated in a field, and we boundary all the fields, and we plant many of the trees in the field. And in spare time, I involved in caring of these trees and watering them. And I have in my family, I have also buffaloes, and in spare time, I wash them. I give them food and some other needy works that I always do. And I help my mother. In absence of me, my mother do all these activities.
So your brother is a teacher, he is staying at home?
No, sir. My brother is a teacher in Sikar, and it's studying also.
He's a teacher and studying also.
Not it is not government. It is private teacher, and it is studying also.
He stays alone?
Yes, sir. He is there.
What about his food and all?
He sir, it is still in Sikar. Before I come, he is living alone. When he take care of me when I was studying in Sikar, and now he is alone.
So he makes his own food?
Yes, sir. I also, when I was in preparing for JEE, me and my brother cook own food and eat and do our work.
You used to prepare yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the age of your parents?
Sir, my parents' age is 45, my father, and 40, my mother.
Your father is a B.Ed. He has
Yes.
studied B.Ed, but he's doing, why is he not doing teaching work?
Sir, he gave many exams, but he didn't clear them due to his hesitant that I have told. He is hesitant and also shy, so he didn't go to a private sector. So he is involved. And you, sir, in my family there is lot of fields, and so one man is not occupied by these things.
So how much land have you got?
Sir, we have 50 bigha land.
50 बीघा.
Yes, sir.
For the entire joint family or only for your father?
Sir, entire joint family.
So, what do you grow in your fields?
Sir, we grow sarso, bajra, gehu, sarso, bajra, wheat, and sir, all in my fields, in my house that I told that I boundary them. We also grow vegetables, corn, sugar cane also, sir, for our family only.
Do you have vegetables not from your own fields?
Yes, sir.
You don't buy.
Yes, sir. I do.
And milk?
Sir, milk from buffaloes, cows, I have.
So who does their job at milk, buffaloes, cows? Not your father?
No, sir. My mother, my mother, and my
Aunts.
aunts, my aunts.
Or you have kept some people for working?
No, sir. We will not hiring any people for cooking.
So only whom people are doing?
Yes, sir.
So what is your contribution in the house? Which all activities you participate?
Sir, my contribution, sir, my father and my family that clearly told me that you should study hard, then we are growth in ourselves. But when I was in home, and I always actively participated in many of the activities in fields. If it was wheat growing activities and watering the fields, I will go and pursue these activities. And I said, sir, that I water trees and many trees. Almost 50 to 60 trees I have watering and take caring them from
So
church.
you have fruit trees also in your house?
Yes, sir. I have.
Is the water available for agriculture?
Yes, sir. Land water is available, but now since some of years water is decreasing continuously, sir. It is
Wow.
about, sir, 300 feet down.
You have hand pumps or borewell?
Sir, hand pumps. I don't have. I have borewell, sir.
Your own borewell.
Yes, sir. I have own borewell. 2 borewells, sir. I have.
And what about the rains?
Rains, sir. With rains we didn't collect it because we didn't store rainwater because there is from that time it's much time. But in recent year when I was grew up, I think that I will make rainwater harvesting, sir.
And what opinion your parents have about you? What advice they give you?
Sir, they were always telling me that if you want to be a successful, then you will be physically fit and also mentally and be good in studies. So they always think that I will always involved in studies, physical activities. They didn't force me to do some other activities, but I personally do all the activities and help it.
And what role do you see for yourself in the coming years in your house?
Sir, as my opinion, my brother is private teacher. Is as he is being selected for government teacher, then my one younger brother is doing its veterinary from Chonu, Rajasthan, and it's my one younger brother is also involved in also preparing for CLAT examination. And then I am coming. Then I think that if they will clear all their ambition, then I will clear. Then there will be a stable condition. My family will go.
And financially there is no trouble at home.
Yes, sir. In financial trouble because all our cousin brothers are staying in different cities and studying. So there is also financial curse. My brother is Sikar, Chonu, and my one brother is at Jaipur. So there is also financial.
So how does the money come to the house?
Sir, money comes to the house from agricultural activities, and sir, my 2 uncles are involved in serving the nation by police force. Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And what type of health your parents are keeping? They are keeping good health.
Yes, sir. They are keeping good health. They send me money also, and they. I think that from their side there is no problem.
So they are working very hard.
Yes, sir.
So why you don't want to take up agriculture since your brother is already a teacher?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, my brother is a teacher, but it is not government. So in private sector, he doesn't pursue more active, more some.
so you
Sir,
Want to work only for money because you have so much of land, you can do a lot of work at home.
no, sir. If I am selected in the armed forces, then I will buy more land and do agricultural activities. And sir, I have that in the field that we grow it out of the medicines that we use and all these use in our field. We don't use any medicine. Our food is always organic and that we grow in our field and we eat on our family. I think that if we do this same thing to my own lands.
Fine. Now I would like to know what are your spare time activities, what games and sports do you play, what are your other interests and hobbies, reading habits, newspaper, magazines, books, TV watching habits, your internet surfing habits, and what routine do you follow when you are at home?
Sir, in my spare time, I look care of my health and my physical fitness. So I running daily. In my home there is sir no television, so we don't pursue any television. We pursue television, but we have television, but we don't fix it because of some eye problems in my family. So we did not pursue television. We have cell phones that we use and do some entertainment with phones and other calling activities are done by phones.
Newspapers, magazines.
So I read newspapers from phones and I didn't read magazines and I have read one book. Sir.
So paper doesn't come to your house?
No sir, paper doesn't come to
How
our
do you
village. Sir.
How do you come to know about the world?
Sir, it's through internet and sir, in village there is one shop there, so newspaper comes. Sir.
English, Hindi or?
No, no sir, Hindi or
Only Hindi.
comes because in village no one know about very much less about English.
So how many people are out from your village for working?
Sir, not so many. There are few people are involved in activities, but most of the people are involved in agricultural activities.
Okay. So are you aware about the Jammu and Kashmir Article 370? What exactly it is?
Yes, sir, I am.
What is Article 370? First you tell me that. Then you tell me what happened, what was expected after Article 370 was removed, and what exactly is happening on ground.
Sir, in Article 370, central government can take decisions on only 3 points: defense, communication, and external affairs. And in Article 370, Kashmir has its own flag, its own constitution, and all the matters will be conversed by the state government that Jammu Kashmir has. That's the Article 370. After removing Article 370, there should be expected that militant activities will stop and so that peace will be made. But as I knew some newspapers that read some newspaper, there is currently involved some militant activities in Jammu Kashmir area, sir.
Okay. So when Article 370 was removed,
Yes.
Jammu and Kashmir was divided into two unique territories.
Yes.
Why it was done like that?
Sir, it is divided in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
Why was it divided? What was the reason?
Sir, it is divided because most of the conflicts are involved in Kashmir and Jammu and Ladakh is so less populated and culturally situated in.
No, but Jammu Kashmir was a state.
Yes.
Why was it divided into union territories?
Because sir, due to union territory, it will come under the central government and central government can take decision about these territories.
That's correct. And the government is telling about that they are going to conduct elections in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, sir.
When are the elections planned? Any idea?
Sir, election are planned. Sir, I don't have any idea about.
So what happens after elections are planned?
Sir, election are planned, then there is political stability also arise. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Political stability arise because in Jammu Kashmir there are many groups that use their people against army, and if there is a political stability, then there is good leaders and give their Jammu Kashmir as
We have a powerful Prime Minister in the country, and we have our neighbor Pakistan,
yes sir,
where they have put their Prime Minister into jail,
yes sir,
Imran Khan.
yes sir.
Why Imran Khan has been put into jail?
Sir, Imran Khan put into jail because of its own activities. Sir, he is involving in military activities and so other activities. From this and these activities, its democracy is interrupted, and so the government of Pakistan decided that we put him in jail, then we save our democracy. Sir.
Which activities he participated?
Sir, he is involved in judiciary activities to force the judges to make some amendments in constitution, and also he has friends in army that supported him to make these amendments.
Okay. Can India and Pakistan ever become friends?
Yes, sir. If yes, sir. If terrorism groups are disappeared, if destroyed and completely destroyed, then they will become our good friend in future. Sir.
So what is good for India? Pakistan as a friend or Pakistan the way it is?
Sir, if anyhow Pakistan is our friend, then it is good for India, because our most of the matches are in cricket are involved in only India and Pakistan cricketers, and there is lot of population that see our crickets and invest his money in that field, sir.
We spoke so much about you, discussed so much about you.
Yes, sir.
You know yourself more than anybody else.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what are your plus points or strong points of your personality, and what are the areas that you feel you need to improve.
Sir, my plus point is my knowledge that I gained from JEE, and sir, my minus point is my talking habit, talking level, and I didn't get confidence on my English language. And my friend told me that your sound was so low. That's my big point, sir.
So, do you agree with them?
No, sir, I increase my voice and disagree with them.
So, whatever you feel you need to improve, what are you doing for that?
Sir, I am for English language. I am reading newspaper, magazines, and reading books also, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And for confidence and other things?
Sir, confidence and other thing, I make friends as teachers and talk to them so much about my confidence. They give me hope that you have good confidence if you practice English in front of mirror and record you yourself, and you observe your own activities and your movements.
So, it is very nice talking to you, and I have come to know a lot of things about you, your family, and your activities. You are working hard.
Yes.
Continue your good efforts, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Thank you very much.